Alright, so we're back at the grocery store. What are we making today at home?
Green juice.
Green juice. That's right. Some of the girls aren't feeling so good. I got something going on too. Green juice is always the solution. Every time. Okay, I need your help real bad. You're a pro. You want to help with the green juice too? Oh yeah. She loves her Christmas decorations. Bella's helping. Alright, first thing on the list is the greens. These days, kale is our go-to. It's cheap, easy to juice, and our hero. Not green, but this rainbow carrot. It's good to add this to your juice. Hey, I don't really think we need those twisties, but if you want to grab one, you can have one. Hey, give one to Bella. Help her. She gave you one. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Okay, another thing that I like to sneak in there. This one, cucumber. It's easy to juice. Lots of liquid comes out of that. Of course, you always have to have apples. These galas, $1.99 on sale. So we'll take it. We'll juice through this whole bag. Pomegranate? Let me see. Are you gonna actually eat this though? You will really eat it? All right, hold on to it. You can get some pomegranate. Come on. You're gonna eat it? Go ahead, grab one. These girls just like grabbing something on their own. They don't actually eat it. Well, don't worry. They'll eat it. And if they don't, I'll eat it. Do we need anything else for green juice? How about lemon?
My cheese. I'm not my cheese.
Mac and cheese. Okay, that's right. Let's get mac and cheese. Okay, cool. Let's put it right here. Come on, push. Push. Next, lemon. We usually only have one lemon, but I might put 2 today.
Daddy, me too.
Oh, thank you. Bella, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. This is her tantrum right here. It's pretty cute. She doesn't really scream because she's too embarrassed by all the other people. Come on. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you later. Bye. Come on, let's go. All right, good girl. Let's go. Help me push. Getting bagels. You guys like? Look at this. It's super cheesy. Cheesy bagels. Okay. Bye, Bella. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I already know she's hungry. Hey, thank you for pushing. What else did we get?
Sushi.
Sushi for who?
That for mommy.
That's
Daddy, lollipop.
Lollipops? Yeah, you don't need those. All right, total $84, which I know seems a lot, but we bought those eggs, mac and cheese, sushi, and pancetta, which was about 40% of the bill. So without that, it would have been closer to $40. It's a pretty good deal to make green juice for everybody, and enough for 2 days probably. Oh, mac and cheese? Oh, I already said that. Let's go make some green juice. I was going to show you how I like to slice it. Apples, you can put the whole thing into this juicer, but I do like to cut it into quarters. Why not help the machine out if it doesn't take that much longer? We're talking like extra few minutes. For the kale, I prefer cutting off the bottoms because sometimes they're kind of gnarly. And then I do it into about the same size as the apples. And that makes it also easy for Leah to grab onto. So that's what I do for the kale. For the carrots, chop off the top part, bottom part, any stragglers. For these, because these are way more dense, I do slice them like this. Look how cool that is. This is why I like the tri-colored carrots. Cucumber, same thing, edges off. Cucumbers are way easier to juice, so even a half works. There you go. Bam! Okay, one thing I forgot, lemon. I take the top and the bottom off because there's really nothing in that. But I do leave the skin on because there's a lot of oils in there that's good for you in the skin itself. Time to juice. Alright, so I got all my ingredients ready. The last thing is ice. So I've got my 2 containers. I make enough to fill this up. If you're curious, it's called the Huron. Go to their website, look for the one with the large mouth. Look how big that is. So a whole apple could fit in there. Easiest juicer to clean. That's the #1 reason why people don't juice. I already know it because I was one of those people. Cleaning on this thing is so much easier. I'll put a link down below. Hey, I didn't know a ghost was gonna help me. Hey! Whoa, another ghost! The ghost of green juice passed! Oh, you're gonna get me? Ah! Can we juice now, please?
No.
Yep, go ahead. Very good. It's on now. It's on. Go ahead and put a whole bunch of different things here. We gotta put, okay, so we always put the leafy stuff in first. Okay, never put your hand in there like I just did. There you go. Can you put lemon in there, please? There you go. Okay, go ahead and close this now. It's gonna turn on. Yeah, that's... Yeah. Sawa. Sawa. Go ahead, open it. There we go. Alright, so now you can start... Oh, I just realized these apples don't quite fit in the opening. Okay, that's why I cut them off. Okay, there you go. Here, let's go ahead and open this up again. Put some kale in there. I'll put the lemon. Do you want to try it? You want to taste the lemon?
No.
Okay.
Purple and open.
Okay, go ahead and close it. Good job. Look at that. Oh, here. You want to use this and push it down? There you go. Already. See? Good. There we go. Green juice is flowing. I don't know exactly what this would be used for. Maybe if you had people getting green juice straight from it, but I like to mix everything up and then put it into the larger container. There you go. Good job.
I don't like fruit.
You don't like cucumber? This little spout is nice for this part. It's getting kind of full, so I'm going to close it. Then I transfer the green juice to the bigger container. I try to leave as much ice in there as possible. Oh, you need help? Okay, let's go ahead and open up the container then. I'll do it. This part, Daddy should probably do it. There we go. You can fill this pretty full. Yep, there we go. Use this and push it down. There you go. Good job. Whoa! I think you need to add more apples. You want me to open it up for you? Here, let me open it up. There you go. Go ahead and add most of the apples. Oh, we should add some more lemon for sure.
Okay.
That's good? Okay. There we go. One of the fun things about this is the fact that they enjoy it. So attributes joy with health. And they've always been big fans of green juice. As long as there's enough apples. Dump out some of it. You gonna do a taste test?
Yeah.
Alright. You gonna open it now? Whoa! Okay, go ahead, taste test it. Is it good? Today I'm making enough for 2 days worth.
Daddy, this goes. I can take it.
Yep.
Daddy already take too much.
Okay. Is it all done now?
Yeah.
You can press the off button. Let's go give some to mommy, huh? Good job, girl.
Where's that?
Hey, high five. I do like to mix it. All the ingredients are incorporated. It's real good, huh?
This mine
Yeah.
and this Bella's.
Okay. That one's yours and that one's Bella's.
Yeah.
I gotta make sure you get some ice too, okay? Do you want to bring mommy's first?
This.
Okay. Excuse me, were you drinking mommy's? Huh? Okay. So I got Bella's and Leah's. You okay? And Leah's got mommy's.
Let's do. Mommy, for us, I miss your finger.
I don't know what she said. I think something should turn up. I got your green juice. Okay, come on.
No, open your
Honey, she wants you to try her
Look at what
masterpiece.
Bella's watching.
For you.
There's yours.
I'm so
Wow, that is
I'm
so
so
good.
bad.
Oh,
Okay.
it's a stain. It's a stain on the.
It's okay.
No big
it's
deal.
Okay.
It
I'll
goes
wipe
away. All right, go give Bella hers.
Green juice.
You gotta drink all of it, okay?
So
See
sleepy.
you, Daddy.
Okay, please drink it. Tell me how it tastes. Okay, good. Honey, for reals. How
It's
is it?
really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
Do you feel healthier already?
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna poo.
Okay. All right, there you go. Green juice. Keep it simple. Get that juicer. All right, so I'll put this in the fridge for the twins later. They'll probably drink half of this, and then the rest will be for me and Judy in the morning. You saw how much kale went into that. Yeah, it's really good. Let me show you how easy it is to clean this thing. Easy. See you guys later.